Hi everyone, my name is Ravi Krishna Janyavala and welcome to my channel Ravi Tech Talks. Please do subscribe to get notifications. Let us start our course Microsoft Azure IoT. We are going to be looking at registering an IoT device to an IoT hub using Azure CLI. To register IoT device using Azure CLI, we will be using the command az IoT device identity. The command does support CRUD operations, that is creating the device as well as listing the device, updating the device and deleting the device. And it does show us the identity and the connection string. We can also set the parent as well as child device properties. And we can perform import and exporting of the devices to a blob. Let us switch back to the Azure IoT portal so that we can create a device using Azure CLI. So in the Azure portal, this is the IoT hub which we have created previously. So if you can click on the Cloud Shell icon here and let us expand. Okay, once the Cloud Shell is connected, let us type the command az IoT hub list. So using this command, we are able to see if there are any existing, what are the existing IoT hubs. So as you can see, this is the existing IoT hub which is there in our Azure portal. So now to see what are the list of devices which are already there in the Azure IoT hub, use the command az IoT hub device identity list hub name and the IoT hub name. I will be pasting all the commands in the video description. So if you scroll up in this JSON, you can see that there is one device currently is there, which is IoT device 01. So now let us create a different device in the same IoT hub. So to create a different IoT device, I'm using the same command using IoT hub device identity. Here I'm using create and I'm specifying the hub name, and here I'm specifying the device ID. And I'm giving the device ID as IoT device 02. Once the device gets created, since I did not specify what authentication type to use, it by default uses the symmetric key authentication. It auto generates the two keys, as you can see. Okay. And to delete the IoT device which is created, we will use a similar command, but rather than create, we just need to mention it as delete and provide the hub name as well as the device name, device ID. If we again see the list of devices, you can see that we are only having one device here. The device which we just created, we already removed it. Please let me know if you have any other queries on using Azure CLI to create an Azure IoT device. Have a nice day.